And yun na nga, they're pretty much very thankful for an opportunity like this. Talaga naman ang talento ng mga Pilipino pagdating sa larangan ng bilyar is unquestionable world-class quality. Kung lahat ng Pinoy, no, siguro, in my opinion, of course, Pinoy tayo. Pag lahat ito dinala mo sa ibang bansa, malakas tayo, no? And I have to be proud about saying that. Matapang, mga mandirigma, and really consummate professionals. And it's easy on the 7 ball. So, pagka napahandaan niya ng madali ang brown 7, by that time, it's just gonna be a matter of making the remaining number of balls. He has options here. Pwedeng lagare, pwedeng patay bola, or pwedeng ayan na nga, no? I mean, muntik na rin ako. Kakapigil lang hininga doon. Here we go. By anybody's standards, this is a formality. Here we go. The 10 ball, easy for Mr. Labastida. Well, congratulations, Mr. Labastida, for putting up a really nice comeback. That was from